Dear students, in previous class we discussed about basic gates. So next point, that is the derived gates. We have discussed basic gates. Next is the derived gates. So first, see the definition of derived gates. See the definition of derived gates. So derived gates are the gates which are derived from the basic gates. Derived gates are the logic gates which are derived from the basic gates. Basic gates means and or not. So derived gate, it is a electronic circuit. These gates are derived from the basic gates. It is called as a derived gates. So derived gates are nothing but combination of two or more electronic circuits. Derived gates are combination of two or more logic gates. Okay, that is called as a derived gates. So see which are the different derived gates. So in that, first I will discuss about NOR gate. NOR gate, it is a, see, already I told you, derived gates are combination of two or more logic gates. So first upon NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing but combination of NOR gate plus NOT gate. It is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. It becomes a NOR. NOR is equal to OR plus NOT. So OR gate is also basic gate, NOT gate is also basic gate. Using these two gates, we have derived one more gate that is called as a NOR gate. NOR gate, it is an electronic circuit gate. It is a combination of OR and NOT gate. It is having minimum two or more input signals and always produce only one output signals. And its output will be the complement of OR gate. Its output will be the complement of OR gate. I will explain later once again. But see symbol of the NOR gate, how it is. See, name itself implies you OR gate plus NOT gate. So first I will draw here two inputs OR gate. I will take here A and B. These are the two inputs. I will draw here logic diagram of OR gate. This is OR gate. This is OR gate. Here we are having the Y is equal to A plus B. Already you are learned this one. Y is equal to A plus B. This is OR gate. We have to use OR gate. One more gate we have to join, that is a NOT gate. One more gate we have to join, it is a NOT gate. So NOT gate is having only one input. That is only one input. This is for NOT gate. So again draw here a NOT gate. Next, this A plus B is the input for NOT gate. Bubble and draw here. So in NOT gate, what will becomes here? Y is equal to A plus B. It's a bar. A plus B, it's a bar. Okay. So because I already learned that this is NOT gate. X, it becomes a X bar. X is input, X bar is the output. Similarly, A plus B is the input for NOT gate. It becomes a Y is equal to A plus B bar. This is what NOR gate. This is called the symbol of NOR gate. NOR gate symbol. Two inputs NOR gate symbol. So same symbol you may draw like this also. This is a A, this is a B. If you want to write in short, you can write like that also. A and B. This is a OR gate. This is OR gate. Instead of joining this whole NOT gate, just use here one bubble like this. It becomes a NOR gate. A plus B bar. A plus B bar. Means you can use this NOT gate, whole NOT gate, or if you want to write in short, you can use only one bubble here. If you use only one bubble, it becomes a NOR gate only. Okay. This is OR gate. When you join here, this is one bubble, it becomes a NOR gate. Then see, it's a truth table, how it is. So I will draw here two inputs, truth table. First is two inputs A and B. One is A, second is B. A and B are the inputs. So next here you are taken as A plus B. It becomes an OR gate. A and B are the inputs. A plus B is a OR gate. We have to take as a NOR gate. A plus B, it's a bar. A plus B, it's a bar. Then A is 0, B is also 0. A plus B, 0 plus 0, 0. And 0's bar, it is a 1. Because in NOT you learn that if X is a 0, X bar is 1. If X is a 1, X bar is 0. So next, A is 0, B is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1's bar, 0. 1's bar, 0. Next, A is 1, B is 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1's bar, 0. Next, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. 1's bar, 0. This is OR gate output and this is NOR gate output. It is reverse of its OR gate. NOR gate is the reverse of its OR gate. So when you join the bar, it will be converted. So first I will tell you, it is NOT is inverter gate. This NOT gate will be used to reverse its state. Reverse its state means what? If its input is 0 and if you want output 1, you have to join the NOT gate. See, so this is called as a NOR gate. It is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. First you have to draw the OR gate symbol, then join the NOT gate. It becomes a NOR gate. You can write like this also, or it is also right in short. Okay. Then here I have taken here A and B are the two inputs. A plus B is a OR gate. A plus B bar is a NOR gate. So I have shown this one for your understanding purpose only. Otherwise you can directly write AB, A plus B bar. No problem. And you're driving this table, A, B are the two inputs. A plus B is A plus B bar is the output. See, 0 plus 0, 0, 0's bar, 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1's bar, 0. 1 plus 0, 1, 1's bar, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 1's bar, 0. Got it? So this is our two inputs NOR gate truth table. So once again I will tell you, NOR gate's output will be the opposite of its OR gate. Okay, because we are going to join here a NOT gate. That's it. So similarly, you can draw 3 inputs NOR gate and 3 inputs truth table again. So I will draw here 3 inputs OR gate, A, B, C. So like this, I will draw here and I will use on a bubble. It becomes A plus B plus C. It's a bar. Okay. So again we have to draw truth table, 3 inputs truth table. A, B, C, A plus B plus C, and it's a bar. A plus B plus C, and it's a bar. And in previous class, I told you how to input the values. So 3 inputs are there. Then 4 zeros first, 4 ones, 2 0, 2 ones, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1. These are the different inputs. Now see its output, how it is. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0's bar, 1. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1's bar, 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1's bar, 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1's bar, 0. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, ones were 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1, ones were 0, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, ones were 0, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1, ones were 0. See, in NOR gate, when all the inputs are low, then the output is high, otherwise output is low. It is exactly reverse of your OR gate. It is exactly reverse of your OR gate. So this is what your NOR gate. So NOR gate, it is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. It is having two or more input signals and always produce only one output signal. Its output will be the complement of your OR gate. So this is what your NOR gate. So second one, NAND gate. So second derived gate is a NAND gate. Second derived gate is a NAND gate. It is a combination of AND gate plus NOT gate. It is the combination of AND plus NOT. Okay. So again, NAND gate, it is an electronic circuit gate. It is a combination of AND and NOT. It is having minimum two or more input signals and always produce only one output signal. Its output will be complement of AND gate. NAND gate output will be complement of AND gate, means NAND gate output will be reverse of its AND gate, because we are going to hear a NOT gate again. So again, I will draw the two inputs symbol. Two inputs symbol for NAND gate. So here A and B. Here we will get A into B. We will get A into B. This becomes an AND gate. Okay. Then this is AND gate. Plus you have to join one more gate, that is a NOT gate. So this is what NOT gate. Here you will get the A into B. It's a bar. A into B. It's a bar. So this is what NAND gate. So same gate you may also write like A and B. These are the two inputs AND gate. Just use your bubble instead of whole NOT gate. Just you can use your one bubble like this. Here it becomes A into B. It's a bar. A into B. It's a bar. Both are same. You can also write like this, or you can also write this also. This is what AND gate plus NOT gate. So it is also same. AND gate plus this bubble means it is a NOT gate. Okay, this is symbol of two inputs NAND gate. Then see truth table. Two inputs truth table. So A, B are the two inputs. Here A into B, and next A into B, it's a bar. A into B, next A into B, it's a bar. So different inputs are 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, zeros bar 1. Next 0, 1, 0 into 1, 0, zeros bar 1. Next 1, 0, 1 into 0 is 0, zeros bar 1. And last 1 into 1, 1 into 1 is 1 and 1's bar 0. So this output is exactly reverse of your AND gate. This is an AND gate, this is a NAND gate. In AND gate, When all the inputs are high, then the output is high. In NAND gate, it is a reverse. When all the inputs are high, then the output is low. Otherwise, output is high. This is what two inputs NAND gate truth table. So this is not necessary for you for NAND gate. Just I am show this your purpose only. You can write like this: A and B are two inputs, and output is a into B bar. 0 into 0, 0, 0 is bar 1. 0 into 1, 0, 0 is bar 1. 1 into 0, 0, 0 is bar 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1 is bar 0. This is what two inputs truth table for NAND gate. Then similarly, you may see three inputs. So I will write here three inputs: A, B, C. These are the three inputs: A, B, and C. Use your bubble. It becomes A into B into C. It's a whole bar. Okay. So directly write a truth table for three inputs. Truth table for three inputs, that is A, B, C, and next is A into B into C. It's a bar. So different possible inputs: 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 zeros, 4 ones, like this. 4 zeros and 4 ones. Next, 2 0, 2 ones, 2 0, 2 ones. Then third is the 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1. These are the different possible inputs. Then see the output: 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 is bar 1. It is 1. Next, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 is bar 1. See this all outputs are becomes 1, last one becomes a 0. Okay, then see here: 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 is bar 1. 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 is bar 1. 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 is bar 1. 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 is bar 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 is bar 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 is bar 0. So this is what three inputs NAND gate truth table. This is two inputs, this is three inputs. This is two inputs symbol, this is three inputs symbol. So this is our second derived gate, that is a NAND gate. So in this class we discuss about two derived gates. One is the NOR gate and second is the NAND gate. NOR gate, it is a combination of OR plus NOT, and NAND gate combination of NAND plus NOR. So these are the two derived gates we are discussing in this class. So again two gates are there, derived gates are there. I will discuss it in tomorrow, next class. Okay, thank you.